Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a haul slash Christmas slash what I got. I got I think 8 items for $2 at Ulta. I used the rest of my points. It's really not like a huge haul at all. But I just wanted to kind of give myself a Christmas present and then just show you kind of other makeup products that I got and how I like them so far. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with my Ulta box. I actually just got it today, and on the invoice it says I got 7 items for $2. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna take out is the new Mario Badescu water. And this one was really intriguing to me because I love chamomile and lavender. So it's the aloe with chamomile and lavender. It's awesome. Well, actually, I have no idea. If you don't know already, I don't work at Ulta anymore. Just long story short, I needed more money, so I just don't work there. Ooh, that smells like a spa. I have the other ones. This one just smells amazing. 10 out of 10. Like, if you want to try this, I think this is $7. Okay, so the next 2 things that I got really were just things that I needed more of. This is my mascara that I use. It's the Essence Princess Mascara in like the pink one, the volume. And I really like this one because of the bristles, and it just gives my lashes really good length and volume, and I think it's only $2.99, I'm pretty sure. So I love that. I just needed more of that. And then I got the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the green, and this is just for green or for rosacea or redness in the skin. So I really like this one. The next thing I wanted to try out was not the new sponge from Morphe, but it is the sponge that Morphe has. I'll take it out. And I've heard really amazing things about it, and I think it's only $6. It has an angle on it. It looks and feels awesome. I really can't wait to try it out. The next things that I got were these 2 brushes. Okay, so these brushes are the M421 and the M441. And I'm really excited to try out more Morphe brushes. I haven't really dove into all of Morphe, so I'm actually just really excited to try out more of their products, which is kind of weird, but I really do like everything that I have from Morphe, so I think these will be great. I really wanted to try the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. Nikki Tutorials uses it, so I was like, I have to use it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, this is what it looks like. And Soft Ochre is a yellow-ish base, and it helps with any veininess or redness in your eyeballs, and I think that it will be the best color for me to be the base of any of my looks, so I think that'll be really good. Right now I use the Tarte Shape Tape, so maybe this might be better. I don't know, but we'll see. So that is all that I got from Ulta. Now I will show you things that I got from Workers and my sister, and just kind of what I've been looking at for the past few months that I've really wanted to get. Okay, so my stepsister got me some stuff from MAC, and she got me this kit of Fix Plus, which I just started using Fix Plus and I'm obsessed with it, and I told myself I needed more of it, but these are actually like not the original ones we have. So it's coconut, rose, and lavender. And I smelled the rose one, and it literally smells exactly like the Mario Badescu rose water. But I don't know, I just love them so much. This one is the coconut one. I'm gonna smell this. Oh, that smells like sunscreen. But it smells so it's tropical. I mean, that smells really, really, really good. And then the rose water, obviously I just smelled, and this is the lavender. And that smells very similar to what I just bought. So I probably didn't even need this, but if you don't know what MAC Fix Plus is, it's a priming or prep spray, or you can spray it on brushes, and it's really easy for like a pigment to stick onto your brush and apply. Like, it's so much easier and you get a lot more pigment payoff. I also got, which I've already used, but I wanted to put back in the package just for the sake of this video, but I got these for signature lipsticks, and I will take them out. They are so amazing. I mean, I have a lot of MAC lipsticks, but I love these ones. Every single one of them look awesome on me. I mean, this one is kind of iffy, but I love them. So we have Antique Velvet, Russian Red, which is like my favorite red ever, Nouvelle Vogue, and Nude du Jour. These are amazing. This is definitely a little bit more brown on me, but this is going to be a pink tone. This is a red, and then this is just like a dark plum. And they are so, so amazing. I love them, and I'm so grateful that she got those for me, because I could never have too many lipsticks, even though I have a lot. These are my go-tos right now. And lastly, from MAC, I got this MAC eyebrow pencil. And I've never used any of the MAC brow pencils or brow products, so I am definitely like hesitant. But this I got in stud. I think this is gonna be the right color. So you open it like this. It does not have a spoolie at the end, but I have other ones, so it doesn't really matter. But I think that this color will be the correct color for me, and I just wanted to try it. I wanted to also venture into more MAC products, so I got this, like I said, in stud, and it's just like a dark brown, because my eyebrows, they're almost black, but they're not completely, so got that. So I got 2 Anastasia lipsticks from one of my co-workers, because we did a Secret Santa, and I love these. I know that she didn't know that I love these, but she got me Dolce and Pure Hollywood. So this is what they look like. Focus. And they are so pretty. So the top one is Pure Hollywood, which is just a really pretty light nude, and then the bottom one is more of like a very light pink, but these are great to mix with other lipsticks too. I really like them. Okay, and lastly, what I want to talk about is just saying thank you to Kiss Products, because I actually won a little mini like contest, and I won some free of their nails. And they're actually really pretty. If I didn't already have fake nails, I would put them on, because what I would do is I would get like $2 nail glue and stick these on, and they would last for like a week. So I'm going to put this into a giveaway whenever the time is kind of right, but I actually do really like using these whenever I don't have fake nails. And if you want to know what like my biggest gift was for Christmas, it was that I got engaged. If you want to see how that all panned out, then go to my last video that I just did, and it actually has the video of when I found out that I was getting engaged, and it's just a vlog, and I actually really enjoy that one. It'll be just like the best video probably that I will have on this channel for a long time, until like the day I get married. But this is what my ring looks like. I absolutely love it. My favorite part is this side. It has the diamonds on the side, and it's just beautiful, and I love him. He's a great guy. So he puts up with a lot of my craziness and talking about makeup constantly. So yeah, thank you so much. I'm so glad that I got to finally like show all of these things that I got. By no means was this like me bragging. and most of the things that I got were makeup related. These are just the things that I wanted to highlight today. If you want to see what like everything I got, even though it's like already January, let me know. But yeah, in the meantime, I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.